Hey everyone, and welcome to Travelguide. Are you itching to explore the world, but worried about packing, planning, and hidden travel costs? Don't worry, Wanderlust warriors, because today we're dropping some serious knowledge bombs. We've got 7 travel hacks that will save you money, stress, and maybe even some precious luggage space. First up, let's conquer the packing beast. Ditch the bulky suitcase. Rolling carry-ons are your best friend, especially with airlines charging extra for checked bags. Utilize packing cubes to organize your clothes and maximize space. Roll your clothes instead of folding to prevent wrinkles and save room. Pack versatile clothing you can mix and match to create multiple outfits. Don't forget a travel-sized laundry detergent for quick in-between washes. Flights can drain your travel budget, but fear not, young grasshopper. Be flexible with your travel dates and destinations. Tuesdays and Wednesdays tend to be cheaper than weekends. Consider flying into smaller airports outside major cities. Use incognito mode when searching for flights to avoid price hikes based on your search history. Sign up for airline email alerts to snag deals and flash sales. Who says you always have to pay for a hotel? Couchsurfing connects you with locals who offer free accommodation in exchange for cultural exchange. House-sitting platforms let you stay in beautiful homes while taking care of someone's pet or plants. Consider volunteering at hostels or eco-villages in exchange for free accommodation and a unique experience. Cities are full of hidden gems that don't cost a dime. Many museums offer free admission days or evenings. Download free walking tours that take you to historical sites and hidden alleys. Explore local parks and gardens for a breath of fresh air and stunning scenery. Many cities have free festivals, concerts, and cultural events throughout the year. Do your research and embrace the free side of town. Travel apps can be your lifesaver. Download offline maps to navigate unfamiliar cities without data charges. Use currency converter apps to stay on top of exchange rates and avoid tourist traps. Translation apps help you communicate with locals and overcome language barriers. Food and restaurant recommendation apps guide you to delicious local eats without breaking the bank. Explore travel apps and find ones that fit your needs. Airport food can be overpriced and underwhelming. Pack healthy, travel-friendly snacks like nuts, fruits, and granola bars. Invest in a reusable water bottle to stay hydrated and save money on overpriced airport water. Taxis can be expensive. Research public transportation options like buses, trains, or subways before your trip. Downloading public transport apps helps you navigate routes and schedules. Consider purchasing travel cards or day passes for unlimited rides and cost savings. Public transport is often a great way to experience local culture and save money. All right, Globetrotters. There you have it. 7 travel hacks that will transform your next adventure. Remember, planning doesn't have to be stressful. Utilize these tips, explore the world with confidence, and most importantly, have an amazing trip.